Hey, they beat your enemy for dream. Okay? It's a bad dream. It's not good. That rain, it can be tears. God may we not cry bad tears. If you be say somebody you want, you know, whatever, cry. Now me, you know good. I mean, Emma. Or if you did dream, unari mina, I may not be. Every man, you know good. Now bad sign. It's not good at all. Okay? And also, many things day. If you did dream, saloba ga me okwe vitan, unari mina, okpera wa day, like wound. Or what day. Okay? So like 3 days ago, I had a dream. Or last week. Last week now I get that dream. You get one of the father of my children, he last brother, me with an there. One plantain just caught. Oh no, no get now fear. Oh no, I am na tinola diamo way. I know say plantain signify human being for dream. You know, so I do that dream. I could tell her to somebody, person interpret another way. You tell her say make you forget her. Me, I don't already know what see me. I say, I pray. He say, whether I not pray, say no. The person say, you don't understand them. I pray, put her so okay. After 2 days, now I come here say, my grandmama sister. Again, now I webo you ije be man, you ije be man. Ekele mo ije be man whoa. She don't old though. She say, but almost close to 100 years. They say she died, but she don't dey sick now. They take your money. And they always they call her sister because her sister she they call me. Okay. Now I just hear that for that trip say because he grandchild, they work for my sister and my daughter's shop. So on our way, mommy, you know, mommy, now we you see, when I did that dream, I know say that dream where I dream, it's not an honorary, but person way one time. I person way this one because he you know, you understand me? So example now they give so dream they get many sign. Okay, if you dream for dream, God may you not see police for dream. No, not say police. I also you according to in abroad the police is our friend. You understand? But if you dream in another way, say police. Good evening, dear. So, most time it's not good. Police mean enemy. Police say me down. Sabaga no police so sabaga me na sabaga me anywhere. Should be case. Yeah, great person won't die. The day we die so. Na great person, yeah, but one, you understand me? You really pay me anyway. I hear say she did hospital about 5 days ago, when she can't die soon. Okay, my people, and you understand? She don't old. But I saw recipes, so that is it, my people. So now see, I started the me beg, me na me nani, or when me time, mama said to explain, me to be me, and the papa na wake him in there. Please, don't you understand? Dream. Great person died. Yeah, that is what it means. Yes. That is what it means. Maybe me na me no get any na wa fia. O mana be atama no tiro me na atama me gwo ma gwo me na no mani ma won ohori ano. O understand? Me o get any na bu. Anya me na ati no lati am we. Me iri na wo na hu me na nai. I tell person no fit explain and give me tell am say make you forget. Now she tell me say whether I not pray over it. I say I don't pray. After 2 days, now they tell me say this our grandmama don't die. Now you would have a man of wow. I forget if you tell my sister with data herself. You understand? She don't owe. She's close to 100 years. Okay? So that is it. And be say great person. Walk by. You understand? So that's so that one be. If you dream, see snake for dream. Now different way. Now snake. They represent what about dream say person. They drive car. That one ogun pure power one. If you they drive car for dream, if you person where get ojuju like ogun, we are ogun. Our only very clear dream. If you they drive car for dream, ogun nihin. You understand? Ogun nihin. Every 2 ways about it. Okay? Ogun na ogun. Neither one if you drive car. God forbid. You dream. Your enemy they inside boats. It's 2 ways. Sometimes it's not good. Okay? sometimes, or maybe no, not be say you did say someone they boat, or somebody they drive boat they go. Now two way. Either you want lost person where you know, or you be person where get ojuju like all those mommy water, you go throw away something for river. Now in me, or better maybe say, or bele, or call, say whatever. You understand me? Oh, I dream my friend mother they pick coconut give me. That one a good thing. Coconut na pikin na gift. Okay, my people, that is it. So if you dream, say many things they represent different ways. Just they cut and short. So you understand. If you dream, sometimes you dey bath for dream. Assuming you dey bath, you dey use soap. So my observation, or I still don't understand that. If you dey bath for dream, na better thing. Or man no you dey bath all those things they come off for your body. Bath for dream, like not in a public, or if you dey bath for public, that one not good. No, okay, that one not good. Whatever, it not good. You understand what about person dream say in self for inside river? That one now ogbeide now all those ogbeide me whatever you are yes me now. Yeah, nothing at the tree, so you understand. Me allergic to dust. Affect all of yours now. Now make away another orphan. If I dey waka for outside, now they use mask because of dust. Okay, my people. So that is it. If you dream, say for example, say like now, I can't fall because in front of my ojuju na big pot day. But it's not go bottle look with pot raw. Ameru way. Okay. If water dry from inside. You know as I tell them, no. I go there if I way big. The river go big where. Set it just suddenly the river just dry. Mororo. Mewa e baba na I'll come tell my mama say ye. Iwe. The no sa webo me say. Oh we sick day or maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks in every because our juju mama just pack and go in house. Even now I'm moga bawa ne. So mama not they stay the same place. Now my cousin they stay the border my mama house. Obu ye mebe ko say man de yate wenne o kana go yen sa mejo ye me do mo bo me o to si onyon ke ye me ko ni afi boyo e ye me ga ise ba we I me o weta me waka o bege so the sign how about making love with the dream depends. It's not good there. Making love with the dream is not good. No. Making love working to orgasm to a real life for it to every minute them most time a bad luck is not good, especially person will not be your boyfriend. Some people go the dream now. Or my way going away me to one maybe most of the case you pray over it well. Now bad luck is not good. Okay, now bad luck. Okay, mama, what about person dream about dog day? No. Dog no good. Kita. Kiyawa no. Ugaoma no gebo whatever. Unagaba no believe jo. Maybe when I have a larger, you all those things. Why be big? When you take it on, you are walking. You take him. You know, good anybody. Dog drive you for dream, pursue you for dream. Oh, he pursue you for but in public is a mess. Shame. Yeah, exactly, my darling. It's not good. Bath in the public is very bad. It's a public disaster, public disgrace. Now it may not go. But on a normal way, say you the bath. Usame yakwe be bedroom. Ugbebakwe yekbe yakwe ni mino na uhwe. They bath yourself all along one or that one they different are 2 ways. Bathing in the public or bathing in the private is not the same. And also if you dream say somebody say somebody sleep for dream. I've heard my sister good evening. Somebody dey bed on a bed on a love Emma. So nobody get neg your money home. You go pray over it or you tell the person to pray over it. Okay? Emma. Many things as dream till they, till they represent so nobody feel help interpret my which dream when you dream na that time again do work more about when love making is not good dog na enemy that one I confirm 100%. Dog no good. No, I tell you yours na enemy. What about dream of swimming in the river with other people. You're not saying all your friends wait there river and all those ogbeide and all of them. Now they swim together now. I felt okay. You swim with other people, you swim alone, you go river, you they wash cloth, you they do everything. If you person will believe in you, you say you get her, go carry something, go throw away for river. We have years. Okay? It doesn't mean bad thing. It means say you be person like a man look on him, so mommy water. I guess it's the way get mommy water. I guess it's the way get ogbeide mommy water. No be the same. You understand here? On the normal graph, you see some people you know say they reborn and say, like my daughter Emma Hoibe, or me Hoibe. All those things they matter now. Ige me kwe no se kene boje, kwe no yegbe yagbe, but ye ya fefe to we. Ofon ogbeide, okwe mami water, o meziza, okwa holokun, o musago yodo. Ami e bokba ne le petit ye me kwe no yegbe, but she dey go church now. She be Christian. Where ye save ye not the rich there. Ige me kwe we nege gaje gbegbe. Understand me? Or when you get your big bed. If you see my daughter, you go to say now, wow, epo, wow, gain. A man name me, depo, ya with depo, okay? Ye man who be, obi me ya mudia, or in your banner you to mother star, I mean, me po, I'm almost to okay, my people, so that is it. We are ready, yes, play with your friends, or walk by your friend. If you dare, for example, now you dare, you know, say some people now they go sleep for bed. Their boyfriend go sleep with them. If you be mad, I beg, you sleep with your girlfriend or your wife or your baby mama. It's the night they come, they beat you. Not be say your wife or your baby mama or your girlfriend now when she know. You go know say that person where get strong spirit, strong juju. You understand me? Or say any other do most of somebody like me, I know they sleep for person back. I know they sleep for person back. Understand? My husband and my back they sleep. Me love you come. You understand? I know they sleep for person back. Now different way. Ugari me na me get boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatever. Man to agbe with the dream. Oga or man not believe you wear a boy, you know. Or girlfriend the war can wear or baby mama we on a neighbor. Sometimes here we do man do a weapon, no do marry a weapon. Okay? Here we do marry a weapon, no do. Good evening, my darling. Good evening. You understand me? So that is it, my people. Dream day different. If you are eating in the dream, in the dream, also somehow it's not good. Depends whether maybe private. I don't know that one. But if somebody they give you food for dream, sometimes it's not the good. Sometimes when you learn against stomach pain, stomach ache. You understand? You go pray against stomach ache. Okay, more than often say they look time because I get where they go. All right. So many things there. If you did dream, excuse me, you dream of oil. God will not dream. You go pray over it. You cast down bad down. Okay? Oil in the dream signify blood in the daytime. You know, go anywhere you see oil. Pray, put, cast down, reject them, break them, cast down, destroy them. It's not good. Okay? It's very bad. It's a symbol of blood. All right? If you see and say somebody gets accident for dream, pray over it. Accident, ogun or ogun, alerun against it. If you dream, see goat, if they pursue you for dream, you go no say na wish, you not good. Goat na devil, na wish. All those one, goat, dog, all those things, it's not nice. Okay? It's not nice. Very nice. Goat na person. Vati agbo. Cow na person. Pig, a pig, person na person. Any animal na person. If you dream, God forbid, say they give your enemy bush meat for that dream. Bush meat na dead person. Na me 100% na dead person. Na me. If you dream, say you dey vie meat, fly day, pray over it. May you not fall for trouble. May your enemy will come the find way to look, escape for that trouble. Or do Allah attacking you? You don't see the face. Now bad person or cover your face or do Allah. Also, if you dream, for example, sometimes your mama go dey beat you for dream, or your papa go dey beat you for dream, or your sister go dey beat you for dream. Trust me, my people, most time it's not them, it's the hand of the enemy. Most time it's not them. That they use them, they cover. Okay? They use they cover, they'll call they use they cover face. You get one small pikin were there with my mama before. Anytime we talk, or maybe we get argument for house, and that night I must dream straight dream. I couldn't tell my mama, you know we ye. Anytime in my yard go home with small argument, it mean na Emma. I tell my mama first time, I tell my mama second time. My sister were there Spain also. They even they talk at the same time. Many people. Did you know that since where that ogomadia come out for my mama, when mama can take another person, this ogomadia so na family relative na ibi. Nigi me yari your mama baby ma we big soon. Oh ma we big soon. It gets okay people waga gwa o wana discuss o wana na argument no say wana bogi na bune ijo mo na ibi omo no gi gbera isen o hane. Most time I must to argue. I wear no the normal ground, so they always they be or I discuss anything, no concern in the near future. I call the suspect true to God. You know the suspect when I will ye. If one will cannot what about if you dream, enter hello play for me at the dream most time. Sometimes you go dream say you want travel, you go enter hello play. Who ye be walking? You understand? Ye no. But to me, I don't really think it's something really bad. Or you go, that is what I believe. Okay? Okay? So that is it, my lovely people. That is it. So different way. Day. Tomorrow, I am not working. I'm not working. I will be, in the evening, I will go school. But if I get time tomorrow, say I'm not that busy, we will continue from where we stop today. Okay, my people? We'll still continue about the dreams and all how you will to come over it. You don't need to scare. Dream is a vision. A vision where or a vision where or a game no. I mean when you buy a gift you wear gift share by dream. You go fit interpreter, you go fit do many things. All right, my people, that one compass. And also we want to talk about a little bit retaliation now because I get about 20 minutes time more before I go. Okay, let us talk about retaliation. Did you believe retaliation? Maybe retaliation is real or not. Did you believe? No, don't come here. Sorry, don't come here. Come me with this number where I place here. I cannot pick it. Don't come here. The number where I put here. Call me by this number. Okay? So, that is it. Now, this one, they do video. Now, the other one, talk by me. Okay? So, that is it. If you believe that now retaliation, if it's real, okay, but me, I believe 100% that retaliation is real. Okay? I don't see her many times. I don't see her many times. Retaliation. Some people, they, yeah, like for example, now, you go get belly. You get person where you know for your family. You don't die. Or do you get my way, mina? Ugbeso we no fie ba ani ogun ame. Ugbeso wetin almost time wetin e do to. O ma no gu ne le gbugbe and we am e regbe we pie we am you get belle. You go come to yourself wetin e do to. You know say na dream you go just welcome long time where you come dey oh we ero wa gbon e do to. Na dream. Who care who ne because na person wey dey close to you for family. Who care who ne una no so what mina over here na travel yeah you know all those kind of things. You will follow the person wrong things like okay because say na person where they close to you na person where they na person where they close to you most time or really or waiting you do too. Let me just talk about one very short story. Okay, one or two stories. Okay, there you get one of my junior sister. The same mother, the same father with me. Okay? I seen her about 4 or 5 times. She live in Spain. So, one of my papa family can't die. Okay? So, our overall, umeje to yakbele, overall, que papa, senior picking, rien, aye do loy, if I don't understand the who are here, you go, not translate, and you waffle and gear, you don't understand. Aye do tari on arieri o mo tira mo pa o ti ana do wu wegbere na kana ba be ye gi obokun bi enwe ku ebu du we na kana. So then I think in Messi Pogie, the Messi Pogene, Egano. Okay, the Messi Pogene, no. He gave an hammer. Or Tiaveramo Banagu, or Tiaverameni Wu, Erame. Now we attended the burial. Then a senior protagony many Averame by the same father. Or more kagbe, na know what to be your kagbe leader for that burial where they go. Okay? Then all of them attend both Erinya. Una know Obaseki family na they marry. The father of my father marry Eba. If you remember, ona. Iyan si seni me on 7 different one. The man understand the mete me yetitai. It senior Debbie e gogo kia. Iana doje ikuni. Iyan giji kuni ni avera me gba oviera senior brother kinya. Omo kagbe ni aya he. So iya ya wa areba be ti oni kuwe iya ya areba. Alodi that wa gi etitaledo wa gi. Alodi line oviera ve era mo pa ohono. She's a very beautiful woman. Very, very beautiful. When I'm saying she's beautiful, she's beautiful. She be like Oyibo, my pa family. My pa dark, but many of her sister, most of them, they fair. It's so for this woman, now one picking, and she pom. She did her say, hey Jimmy, oh salobua. This woman, if you want to call person, they you say akpakpa. In your book, because of Bolo Kokbari. If they beat man, he no gay. E maga ikogbe, wa bege masoyen. Atiri me di puro, me ma o dafinya, but nemo wari yan rokba. Me ma o dafinya because in riko anyon lady, ana minya. Nik be aniro makaka bofebe, niko ni ro. Ejiva. Ijio, ege mana ma de no e contractor, ege leso dogi yan. They are very, e mo desku veni awaje sekpeni. They are very intelligent. Okuona giko teke no sense nena we gbe tami je me be gani owo bia owo ra mi ka buje be gwa no to tami ye owi discipline obiera no owi yan rira me owi discipline okuono e gbagbati person ga no, you know, they get action for their family. If I dey talk so you say I get action. If you see my papa children the rest one the family you know say isagi. I don't know. I'll make a lesson where people will travel is part of education. I love you too, my dear. What's it called happen? This woman can carry meat, cow where they keep for burial. As she they carry her, they go. Now another burial they go. She can carry uzokbo. Ona when ye yamwe, abi biemila, or wamwe yokowa. Ye madana na wadi. Ye madana na wadi. Ate Roches hospital. Ye madana na wu. E madana veri me ogba owira ege na tana ijime amotebe mesi ukpogi senegi ya gbava. Okay, then I wa ready am na gata we je me majo because of the condition na we e sister mi po moyako o wa devi yo mi ni majo ogu ate mo hospital wa we ni so via bi ahun hiji e wo ye na wa so sorry e sister mi po moyako because all my papa family sister baba you know the one we not born because when they grow they come he may say always in your brother geri me or pieri me say because he don't want to be meti baba so a respect in the family mama te boni no sema ono se ne boni mo bote we teme na tini no seme igwati iketi won we to so mo hiji wo ye na wa so sorry ha mi po moyako sister mi po moyako agbona ewe bo o mai pekere ije me na bi ije me gi bie. Okay, that time I be hospital saloba no woman say no ije me na wa be successfully o teme na agi bio if it today we abi oviji me na hell ejeva she fair eri ya me kun she get shape ogi mo say hey Joe when we can maybe ji me na shape anyway but ono na oye be po we shine na wa wo shine ni o teme na ji iri awa bio that very day awo momula wa aworan o wa ran o agogo o wa je be bo na je mose you know ya gbodo sisi je bi omo je bi omo na no as they beat that time ira me wa day ira me wa ya that time my papa fed they work they follow they drive they follow ogbemudia. You can't stop that job because my papa na trailer driver. Come for another job again. Come they drive trailer again for Tezako filling station. My papa just go look for work. That very day when my mom born, this my sister. era me wa de ona wa mi wina o wa be ti o wa ona wa be yon we mana we boya daddy bogi ona we iju wa bo mana we je bie ye bo mana wo do de do unu ame mana wo do de na be hell era me wa ya ti ko ju wa me o salobua erie na go we se be gbe me omona ye ti o sagbe mo ruwe bena me ya gbin keke ni na ya gwale wina re ye na mi wina ye give a day na do ba no that blessing wa ona wo sagbo mere ye ti omona ana do momo adi ogwa won ejo ma da pie you know fifi o my gbon na se momo ona momo odo we mo paka bo won abubu yan begeni you know omona ra o e de na gbe o my people o pare the other day the next thing omo magira o ona wa me mia o true life story my old sister na that day I believe abi me ogere be ya mi egwo ma gele lo mare ona wa me mia o o ma be ra o the next thing o wahala dia a pause why not a pause wo ko me o ye na ka apollo ona ye na ge pause ona wahala dia ma wo yi ona ye na ge pause ona ala dia na ga ye koti wu di yakin o e story ga no e story e ga no eje me na we mi ato na eje me na mo na mo are se filomena aseba here we me rock paro o hey eje me na we mo na mo are ugbo that time hospital na hospital here na we me rock paro pa we mi eto e ma be ra ona wa mi egba na wa we be na beto ona wa we possible ona wa ye tebo wa ri ra yi o wa we possible ko ti hu da ya akin no na wo money na because they sensitive hey ana wo ko me ona story past story yana do pa won ge bi esu na mo hospital ne nothing wrong o me ma pa no ga ru wa sota atiko ye be eni alekin ati ma ni abi po mo eni aleki ye ni ati o ye wa sota ga aje ye be na do pa ke ke ra me oni na gbe koko je na wa pa na wa riba de ne agani na mie beta native doctor egi native doctor ne iya igbo you gbe bodo re iya wo ya so po ege na mi obi opo sobu era me mai to mari kobo yo to mari epini jo to e mana na camera me wo bokia iye mi nuru dare wa eze de tota o tun e o we ni o ya etare ona we mama no lomo na re da me na we mai ona we to we ni ka ma we bi yun la yun rure do tun no gu ba o yin I swear true life story iba de da me na wa so da me na gele vie pe wa da me na we era me na ki jebe na e ma na ma e ma de o ma anybody de ma ki ko ma se papa na we gbere ne e na wi je ware ne o wi are mi me o ya so wa ne ga mi po mo ya ko no era me na gele fie o we to we ni edo ya tare wo wa de bo yi ni ona le ra mi ha wa ni le era mo ru ko ya mi je me ya gi pa don't come here please don't come here ya gi pali eri ama mi ese o ona we ne ra me wa atani o be ro na re yo no ta wi no gbobo ki ane wo as you appreciate no na lulu nyere no welcome e vi ro paro ora o my people that very day that me na do mwe era me na glevie o bokin abi era me na embrace ona we no won do ye poto o temi nu gbolo pa ni o temi ni ga gbe wo bi egun ki quiet o we ti sha cause o ka ti se Nigeria o ki de discipline e character ga na dia no se ya le le take nonsense e gwa le mi no ton we are call obi je me ni ne dia gbese mu fun o ma onu mu wa no gbo we to we ni ta lo gbe eri o ya klo mi ege na ya go ma talo very quiet but o wa mu won ge ti mi ni ria ugbolo ko pa mi o temeni no ya wanre okedo lawodo okedo bie o ma ekun mi ama o pe do bi opa no ya tare ni ana ta wo bokin mi me o bokin era me na do gbagi ne gbe ya o ire ti o ta te na so agbo bokin ane ogire ga son agige omo mu na ra o mu ona ya ta na gbaki I believe edeni agbere gbete story na ya mu je meje live edeni no egbe to teme na bie alami pomo ya kore ye megbe gbese awa repeat o ya re Nigeria ya mu story na re my old sister ama we de gbe mo ja mo hospital ke pa ya jo ejo inya we mi ro para ri jo na we na gbobo kian no the same father anoteme na umi ti ra me no ma like mi agba ko le ti ra me bible ko je ano ibi me no je me no obi ago me iyan se tiame o teme ni agba de mo ebugbe me ni ma ya bu se iyan wo sagbe won ru eme bo iyan pa Enya ne me ma ye woruwa. Oyi wa zekpe ona wakpa. Ye to boy na wakpa na ware mi ona to take no siwera me na we gbe to ka oni ra gmo gani ona stay weludo don bo wa weludo ona are mi ya to take. O gi like ti rami and re ti rami ya like inya ga call inya ne mo ma be inya ne nwe iye inya ne nwe wo be mi pa no ma like inya ne ma no give like ti rami. So retaliation, my dear, is free. Okay? The second one, again, one of my sister like that. Okay, this my sister now, she did Jamie. One of her children, where she born. Me otirakpa. Ona mi accident. Yana you see fear. So yana stitch, you know stitch. Yana zawa gele, yana stitch. You see na wa ewe. Yana stitch wa. Yana this sister, stitch ke na no see na wa ewe ni. Esi oteme na gibi. Owa bi omo money. Ona ye no gbolo kokpa temo we we ni nana. Gbolo kokpa na ye no lati ave na we as no na wo duku. E no wan no ga areba. Retaliation, whatever my sister where they worry my ego ma lo mare mata why worry wa forget on it. So no why no ga areba ni give me obi okana because I not too much get time again. Maximum 10 minutes I'll go. Mama, I believe you. I like this thing still happen to my daughter last year. Okay, my darling. E no one no gare wa mi obukani. Ona we kun mi. E bi rokpa we. Ona we bi rokpa we. Ona what sinya no guni. Ola ere to ya etare. O ma ese 2 days gboloko no te mo na to boy we gbe la we. Ama be mo hospital ma we rokpa. True life story. I don't see one pikin. For my life, they born ona wa giri. Yana we wa giri. O ma de yo fi how wa bio. Ona wa giri just born for your body. I born kon. Ama be zede ya no. Izzy awa mo wo wala moto wa so. O dey cry. O ti o da fun inu wo mi accident. Ona giri. O lo yo kaniri. Izzy ga mo wo la moto. O so. Ibi te gbe giri. E tokpa o mazo wu. E follow akon. Okay? Awa lomare. E mani buma believe ga lomare. A lomare ba gbonana. But a kin lomare. A lerere. E gboma. A lare. O meti a lobi o tirare. O tiju eti la woruri. O tira eti la woruri. O tie you know o tsena ru wegbe. O meti do la woruri. It's possible. Imai make na wose olomarure de onibo imai because he believe you get bomb or olomarure. All right, that is truth, my people. So Spanish we na damas. Today we try. Tomorrow, if I get time before I come off for us around 6:30, before 5 o'clock, we will still come back again about the dream issue also. Okay, if for example. Say the last one. This one is very interesting. Some people some may they not go toast you in the afternoon. In the night, they go penetrate. They'll come, they sleep with you, they follow you, they do husband and wife. They'll say they'll come, they lele where they will not do me. Or matter si well, but all go away not do me. Ubeso beg the face of that person. Ubeso beg the face of that person. But you may count it as a dream. But it's a very, very bad thing. Person where they do that kind of thing. Now very bad sham. And a very strong bad sham. It's very bad. Emano we na only do tie below we. Ugaoma no about this strong spiritual. Either by going to church, either by native spiritual way, it doesn't matter. If you be person, unaga no gele this strong where we are no way easy, very only believe me. You go see the person face. You go see the person face. Okay? If you see the person face, say that person, maybe you know her. You get as the when I'm yari jetting ya because man we both we no ma o avant or do however son ipak be ratan and the man we laughing in to their life they always useless in aga gbe yo gbere na go fi gbonu ru hu because of that passion me bono we gbe yan yawe yen ya love ye ko wan. Okay, my people. So even some things there you go to say na dream or na ri, or you go to toss in a dream. Kokoroko, who are fit we maybe e ma soro. Woman mi o ma wetin adogbe na degbe. Amasa. Iya wa gbe asan e bi yo wa fun egbe. Ide iya wa gbe. De mi o ma ne gbe ya we am egbe. Aya san gbe bi primary school 7 yo be ne aya san gbe. Ije ona to time mama agree pa wa no we gbo no we my sister tire. No be one time, no be two times with the dog call. But to be making me new, be na me fear anyone they don't be. In a way, I don't be. He be boon or soon wagmo. O my me o mo lovie. E de my mu. Iya wa. E de mu. Iya do agbe. If you was senior man again, no we are so pozuwe. O aso. O not diake wherever. Now so one day. They never died. The father of my children go still remember this thing. I just go for work as a tire, put phone for palo. I just relax. I can't watch television. Around that kind 7 to 8. Then no my I don't know you know what really big television where I see person, I shadow. I see the person shadow, but I don't see the person finish. And then mamu imari. See me see you kukuruku. No be dream. This one not be dream. And then my well ike ade. O maggie them o mazi be. I wear a ballon. O mazi egbe o ye wa brother lati ye wa yare ono wa egbe na mo television ye na man say na mo bo television ye na kene e cable na mo bo you know say if you want put cable for us now most time you dey put am for where they select this thing we go want to go fit it, you understand me e didn't need why I vibe bele be kono wa listen the television re I feel like say somebody enter but the person come like a shadow na draw a shadow I don't see the person come like a shadow. Anyway, I relax in my vie. Ero we melo be bedroom. Ona be ho. Ero we asenya again no to. Hiji. Be na ga segbe. Ina ga segbe. Ono ba senya ogia me again no to. Be na ati ero we me o ma ho. Abi fe na to asela dia bo be na ga ati ero we me ma ho. Be no we asenya me again no to me ya asin pe ni. When me ya say, me na try. Ona you na be get me try ni me me. No diaki me something like that because me love me ga get television me na remote. Na try the me me. Obo me ma say ne it might seem move. Ne be na understand. Dream it must move. When me ya zegbe ni. Eri okwe pa wa ya re. Be na ma be on ite. Ona waje gba. We no why ya je gba. It just wear red complete from here. It's just weird red. You can't tie this not be no back. You can't use something like red. Say tie something that this the cow is passing. You know you like pigo na wale le. Ona ja gbuni no pe na wa na we. Dating around about to e kai wa run. You go make back. Ona wa gbale mi as no wana gbale weapon le gbebe na ko wan no ko as they ready said they want go okuo na so the person they dress with red from from hair to toe. And so the person just take cutlass. You do something now the person wa beg the person oh boy. Edi ba we na edi ba ya gwa pa ona ye ne zime. Edi ya gwa pa gbe. Hey sir. Ero me na we ona wa ya we working. Ina we no rupa because he made up the television na we dey sandra. Ga o me. Owa o me we agbelu na fi. Hey, de ma hemu. Iya re. Iwa lo bi ya to senya me ginu to de me de mu. Kaka. Ogbegele. Ina we ma bi meti we. Owi e ma ho. O ma ni metie na. O ma se unu sentimental lo ki me lo bi e na. Bebe ki ye be television be bedroom. Me get television be parliament na get Nigeria movie. Ye na ata me news be bedroom. Me begging ye be betting ye begging me. Oh we ma won whisper na. Most time palo are center e bedroom wa diakegbe. E ri o ya sunu. Obi ye ma amefe na se la dia wa mi. Amefe ona se la dia. E ma di wa gbe bi joje kini. E ke ni e yak pa ye ki me ga bege ni mi na ona ye no we wish ado kian. Ona e ga guge kian. Ona e ga guge kian. Igita me na we give no so no ge na wa ma down. Ina we ge no ogo ma no to gbe mi nya ni we sango no. O ma ni me ma bege ne gbagba ni wa bege. Ona wa je mi no bakun ya so to na mo gboko. O we sango me no. O wo do gbe. So my people, if person enemy mad for dream. Ija! Person enemy mad for dream. Ima only or meme. Or you dream see mad person. If you dream see mad person for dream, most time now juju. Ubeso yang we sangono. Ubeso yang we sangono. But ogo ma dream ona mad be dreaming. Me heti one my brother. Ima only. So okay, my people, so we have to call it a day now. Tomorrow, by God's grace, we go start for where we stop today. Okay, I hope say we don't learn something. We are going to be doing it together. How to mind our business, how to stay away from trouble, how to believe with what is reality. Okay, my people. Not like when you dream, see something for dream. Somebody go come tell you, say, wait till you dream, see, say, na testimony. I don't really believe that. I believe a dream is a vision. Okay? That, for example, we now day, or na day, lerun ujo, temptation na day, lerun against this thing, lerun ujo, onona, lerun ujo. That is what I believe. Okay? With love, baba we. So that is it, my lovely people. Dream is like, is a vision. Okay? That is the reason a pastor and learn unwena or can come away or we may have a vision. A pastor, when maybe a Christian say, a church say, a pastor might pray that they not aware a dream is a testimony, but some people that will use dream as a testimony. So I just want you here to believe that dream is not a testimony, my lovely people. No. A dream is a vision. Okay? Most things they sometimes dream are opposite. So can't day where you could see scenery could be opposite. Someday you could just happen directly. Different way. Now everybody till they see something for a life. Okay, my people. Believe me, believe in anything. Okay, anything you know say you believe. But only one thing you could do. You have to believe, say, good heart. It's all wow. Good heart. Now the important pass. Okay, my people. Okay? Believe in having good heart. That is the most important thing. That is the key of a Christian or a pagan or whatever. Okay, my lovely people. Tomorrow, we'll see again. Anytime. Because me, I know they get time. Okay? Again, you're free for. Again, you're loud. Okay, my people. I love you guys. Thank you all so much. As you now stay here with me. Now, God bless you now. Like and follow. I know they still not follow this page. The day we are going to change that for now. So while will follow this page. Mama Susie, I don't make trouble. I don't want saga. I don't want to bring anybody down to increase myself. No, it's a sin in the eyes of the God. It's a sin. It's the eye of